Are you tired of spending hours writing articles, responding to emails, or generating reports, only to feel like you're just going through the motions? Well, you're in luck because I'm about to show you 3 game-changing AI tools that can revolutionize your workflow and save you a ton of time. Today, we're going to pit ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini against each other in the ultimate battle of AI supremacy. Which one should you use in 2026? Let's dive in and find out. First up, we have ChatGPT. This language model has been making waves since its release, and for good reason. With its ability to generate human-like responses to any question or prompt, it's no wonder businesses and individuals alike are flocking to it. But how does it work? Let me show you. Suppose you want to generate a 500-word article on the benefits of sustainable energy. Here's how you would use ChatGPT to do just that. First, you would open up the ChatGPT platform and click on the right tab.